Let's be honest, when you buy an SUV, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're buying an illusion. The illusion of power, safety, and prestige. The sense that you're ready for anything. The open road, the rough terrain, the family trip. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Some SUVs are built to deceive you. They look tough on the outside, but crumble under real-world pressure. They promise reliability, but hide mechanical nightmares under their glossy paint. You see, automakers know exactly how to manipulate your instincts. They market ruggedness, family safety, and premium feel, not because they care about your comfort, but because they know it's the fastest way to drain your wallet and make you feel good about it. The moment you drive one of these SUVs off the lot, the depreciation hits harder than a punch to the gut. You start noticing strange noises, poor mileage, cheap interiors, and maintenance bills that keep growing like weeds. And by then, it's too late. This video isn't about scaring you, it's about protecting you from shiny traps dressed up as dream cars. Because while some SUVs are built to last decades, others are ticking time bombs disguised as status symbols. So before you make that next big purchase, pay attention, because these are the 5 SUVs you'll instantly regret buying. And if you've already bought one of them, you might want to brace yourself for what's coming next. 1. Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass is the perfect example of a car that sells dreams and delivers disappointment. It seduces you with that rugged, off-road image, the promise of go anywhere. But the harsh truth? Most Compass owners find themselves stuck, not off-roading, but off the road, waiting for a tow truck. Its transmission is notorious for jerky shifts. The electronics act like they're possessed, and the maintenance costs can quietly bleed your wallet dry. What's worse is how Jeep's service network often leaves you stranded emotionally, not just mechanically. You buy a Compass thinking you're getting a mini Wrangler, but you end up with a mini headache that never goes away. 2. Nissan Kicks. The Nissan Kicks is marketed as a stylish urban SUV, light, efficient, and tech-loaded. But behind that sleek front grille lies a car that cuts corners everywhere that matters. The interior feels cheap, the insulation is paper-thin, and the CVT gearbox? It's like driving a blender that screams every time you touch the accelerator. And the illusion of budget SUV fades quickly when you realize the resale value plummets faster than its acceleration. Nissan built this car for people who wanted to look smart buying an SUV, not feel smart owning one. 3. Ford EcoSport. Once a hot favorite, now a cold regret. The Ford EcoSport promised sporty handling and American toughness, but it turned out to be a victim of abandonment. Ford's exit from several markets left thousands of owners struggling to find genuine parts and reliable service. Imagine owning an SUV where every repair feels like a treasure hunt. The engine's performance is inconsistent, the suspension stiff enough to shake your spine, and the resale value has collapsed. Buying an EcoSport today is like buying a stranded ship. It once sailed strong, but now it's just stuck in the dock of disappointment. 4. Hyundai Creta Base Variants. Here's a shocker. The Hyundai Creta, one of the best-selling SUVs, can also be one of the most overrated regrets, especially the base and mid variants. Hyundai has mastered psychological marketing. They make you believe you're getting premium luxury, but once you sit inside, the illusion fades. Thin body panels, underwhelming engines, and missing features that force you to upgrade. That's the real strategy. It's not a car, it's a funnel, designed to make you spend more, upgrade more, and eventually feel like your smart buy was actually a planned trap. 5. Mahindra XUV 700 Petrol Variant. Now, this one divides people. The Mahindra XUV 700 looks and feels powerful, a tech monster with futuristic features. But the petrol variant? That's where regret lives. It guzzles fuel like there's no tomorrow, and the maintenance costs creep up faster than most realize. The flashy screens and features distract you from what really matters: long-term reliability. And when those high-tech systems start glitching, the repair bills hit like a heart attack. It's a machine that gives you luxury today, but demands your loyalty and your money tomorrow. So, what's the pattern here? Every single SUV on this list uses psychological illusion as its main feature. They sell emotion, not endurance. They sell appearance, not reliability. And the saddest part? Most people only realize it after the damage is done. Because in the SUV world, the real danger isn't what's under the hood. It's what's hidden behind the marketing. You know what's funny? People never admit they regret buying an SUV until it's too late. They'll defend their car like it's a family member, even when it's draining their wallet, breaking down every month, and guzzling fuel like a thirsty elephant. But deep down, they know every squeak, every warning light, every overpriced service bill whispers the truth. You made a mistake. And that's the beauty of it. Everyone thinks it won't happen to them until it does. So here's my question for you. Which SUV do you think is the most overrated piece of metal on the market right now? Or better, if you've owned one that turned into your biggest regret, tell us the story below. Trust me, you're not alone. Thousands of people will read your comment, nod silently, and realize they've been living the same nightmare. So go on, name the SUV that broke your heart, and maybe, just maybe, save someone else from making the same mistake.